All right, hi, Will. I think I figured out what's going on here. You are right that basically a loop might be better here, just because I guess with recursion there's like a max number of method calls you can make. So it like there's a stack that keeps track of like what method is been called and waiting to return. And so I think they said line 90 or something. Like this is just getting called so many times that it doesn't want to keep track of it anymore. So you can do either use your loop solution or you can increase the stack size. Right? I found this link that actually explained it pretty well, um, and I'll send it to you here. Um, and it talks a little bit about it. And it says basically you can increase the stack size, but here's how to do it. It gives you a little explanation on how to do it. I'll show you here in this video too. Um, but it also said maybe using a different non-recursive solution might be the better way to do it. So, anyways, to get yours to work, I think I got it working now. Hopefully, um, I got it working there for ZZZ. And so to do it, I had to go to Run and then Run Configurations, and then under arguments, I had to pass in. This changes the stack size from the default. I think this is 10 meg or something. The article online talks about 1 or something, but 1 didn't work for me. I had to do 10, hit apply right here, and then run it after that, and then it worked. So kind of interesting. I didn't know this, but thanks for asking, and I think that's how you get it to work. All right, hope you're doing well. Let me know if you have any other questions.